To a child, the world is so wide. To a child, storms are outside. Come, you fear the rainbow's cure, ending where you start, calling to your heart. Everything you see, everything you find, the darkest memories all come clearer when you open your eyes. Children are like boats in the sea, tossed and torn, they travel on. Ride the waves, be strong and brave. Every stroke you row teaches you to grow. Everything you feel, everything you find, the darkest memories all come clearer like a star in the sky. Everything you see, everything you find, the deepest mysteries all come clear.